Can a vaccinated dog get kennel cough? Meet Fido, your perfectly vaccinated pooch. You've protected him against many illnesses, but what about kennel cough? Kennel cough is a tricky thing. It's a highly contagious respiratory disease that can spread quickly among dogs. Sure, Fido's been vaccinated, but can he still get kennel cough? Indeed, he can. The vaccine doesn't cover all strains. So, if Fido starts coughing after a dog park visit, it could be kennel cough. Don't worry, it's usually not serious. But remember, prevention is better than cure. Keep Fido's environment clean to avoid kennel cough.